Are you totally sick of all the sea of the same out there and wanting to create marketing that cuts through the clutter? So let's talk about what even is a gate. Well, just like in astrology where there are 12 star signs, in human design there are 64 gates. And every gate brings a unique frequency that we can work with to help amplify our marketing and make sure that your content is resonating with your ideal clients. This is how you become your most authentic expression of yourself, unlock more creativity, and get exactly what you want from your marketing, which is more engagement. So I use the word transits, and I want you to appreciate how valuable the transits are. A transit, well, it's actually the word for a moving planet. The transits happen when the planets move. So the planets are transiting. The gates are where they're passing through in the human design system. So when you're thinking about human design and transits and also the gates, it's a lot like astrology, which is one of the inputs into the human design system. And your personality sun gate, so that's the gate when you look at your human design body graph that is on the top right-hand side, is your primary placement. It is like your star sign in the human design system. So me, I'm a gate 3. Gate 3 is in that position on my chart, which is all about difficulty at the beginning, or from a marketing context, it's about alchemy. It's about finding the gold in the chaos to bring forward into the world. When we're talking about the transits, we're talking about the background frequency. So it's a little bit akin to the weather. There's always going to be weather outside and you want to prepare yourself for that weather. Well, there's always going to be a background frequency. And what we want to be doing in our marketing is understanding this frequency and working with it to amplify our marketing messages. This is how you're going to stand out from the crowd and absolutely connect into your ideal audience. Can't wait to bring you next week's transit update. Make sure you hit that subscribe button now. And if you want to know more about your personalized human design chart for marketing, head to my website now, yvettemeyer.com/chart, and you're going to get a free human design chart and a report that is personalized to your human design so you can take your marketing from low frequency to high frequency, engage those ideal clients of yours, and grow your beautiful business.